Hi there. Here's a quick demo of Polybook to show how it can be useful for podcast fans and lifelong learners. You can use this to build a personal encyclopedia of facts and pin them to a world map and history timeline, which visualizes your knowledge and makes it easier to recall using your spatial memory. So seeing facts in context, the connections between them, the gaps in your learning, and you can also filter your knowledge and isolate where you learnt it and who you learnt it with. We also automate your note-taking, doing auto-prediction, doing the boring admin like tagging and archiving, so you can create a fully archived note in seconds and not minutes. Or if you don't want to write your own facts, you can browse community knowledge, which is a great way to discover new content and easily collect facts from the shows you listen to. With just one tap, you can bring this knowledge into your personal list, or if you're a content creator, you can create powerful show notes your followers can keep, so they can always find a way back to the precise episode. You can also export all your knowledge as a CSV file for use in Notion, Roam, SRS flashcards, or any other tools for thought. So please sign up or drop me an email if you want to give it a try. Thanks.